The dictation will starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. This reference to the Constitution bench raises a question in regard to the validity of capital punishment for murder provided in section 302 of Indian Penal Code. Full stop. In view of the ratio, the courts below were not competent to impose the extreme penalty of death on the appellant. Full stop. It was submitted that neither the circumstance that the appellant was previously convicted for murder and committed these murders after he had served out the life sentence, nor the fact that these three murders were extremely heinous. Full stop. It is permissible to swing a criminal if the security of state and society, public order, and the interests of the general public compel that under Article 19 within bracket 2 full stop, the majority has held that such extraordinary grounds alone qualify as special reasons, as they leave no option to the court but to execute the offender if state and society are to survive. Full stop. This does not matter that how gruesome the killing of pathetic the situation was. Full stop. It is equally beyond the functions of a court to evolve imposition of death sentence or to make law by cross fertilization from current national developmental goals. Full stop. This function belongs only to parliament. Full stop. The court must administer the law as it stands. Full stop. Learned Solicitor General submitted with some vehemence and persistence that this case needs reconsideration by a larger bench, if not by the full court. Full stop. Learned counsel opposed the request for referring the matter to a larger bench because such a course would only mean avoidable delay in disposal of the matter. Full stop. It was made clear that the validity of the death penalty for murder was sought to be challenged on additional arguments and changes in law. Full stop. These circumstances must be given great weight in the determination of sentence. Full stop. Some of these factors, like extreme youth, can be of compelling importance. Full stop. Child is a person who was less than 18 years of age at the date of murder. Full stop. He cannot be tried, convicted, and sentenced to death or imprisonment for life for murder and cannot be dealt with according to the same criminal procedure as an adult. Full stop. Juvenile Justice Act provides for a reformatory procedure for such juvenile offenders or children. Full stop. There are numerous other circumstances justifying the passing of the lighter sentence. Full stop. Nonetheless, it cannot be emphasized that the scope and concept of death penalty must receive a liberal and expensive construction by the courts. Full stop. Hanging of murderers has never been too good for them. Full stop.